Okay, let's do our second example, which is 159/64. Again, we're going to make our, put our denominator, wait, denominator goes out in the rain, right? Our numerator gets covered in the garage or wherever, 59. How many 64s in 159? Two of them. Okay, 64 and 64 is 128. Do the math. So that's 1. So we have 31 left over. So how many 64s in 31?
0.
None, so we need to start our decimal. Okay, put a 0, bring it down. How many 64s in 310 do you think?
5.
Yeah, not quite 5.
2.
How about 4?
4, yeah.
4. Because 6 times 5 is 30, but 6 times 4 is 24, and we only have 10 left over. So it's going to have to be 64 times 4. Let's go over here and do a little 64 times 4. So this is 16, 64, 25, 250, 256. So let's do that. 256.
Yeah.
So that's 4. This becomes a 0. We got to borrow here. 10 minus 5 is 54. So I don't have enough 64 into 54. So let's pull another 0 in. How many do you think in 540? Well, we can double this, right? So there's going to be 8 of them. This will work, right?
Yeah.
So there's 8. And what's 256 twice? 512, right?
Yeah.
I don't like doing too much math. Sounds crazy coming from me, right? 28?
Wow.
Yeah, let's go one more. We need to go one more digit so we know how to round it, don't we? So let's go all the way down. How many in 280?
3. No. 4. 4.
4 or 5?
4. 4. No, 5. 5.
Can we get one more?
4. 4.
If we get one more here, what are we going to end up
No,
with?
it's 4.
12.
It's 4.
Oh, say, so it's 4. So is it going to be 2.48 or 2.49? 2.48, which is 248 over 100. So what's our percentage?
248.
Yeah, it's going to be 248%. Have you ever heard somebody say, give 100%, give 110%?
Yeah.
Can you have 110%?
No.
Yeah, you can. Can you have 248%?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I paid 50 cents for bread, a loaf of bread, what are you paying for a loaf of bread now, do you know?
Like $1.50.
Like $3. So are we paying more than 100% than I used to pay?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's where the 248% comes from.